In my last video, I walked through every mistake you can make in Barcelona. And judging by the comments, a lot of you have made most of them. Today we're moving on. Literally, Bangkok doesn't ease you in. It hits you while you're still deciding if you're ready. The smell of lemongrass and 30-degree air. At 6 a.m., a monk in saffron walking past a 7-Eleven. A tuk-tuk driver with the patience of someone who has completely given up on patience. One full day from your couch. 6 a.m. The monks. The monks are out first. Every morning, monks walk through Bangkok's neighborhoods to collect alms. It's called tak bat. People kneel, offer food, and wait. The monks don't say thank you. That's not the transaction. The act of giving is itself the point. And the monks are providing the opportunity to do it. It's one of the few things in this city that happens slowly. By 6:30, the street food has been running for an hour already. Boat noodles, rich, dark broth, thin rice noodles, a small amount of blood in the stock. It sounds alarming. It tastes exactly right. A bowl runs between 40 and 60 Thai baht, which is roughly $1.50. The math makes no sense, and nobody's complaining, but the noodles are just the opening act. 10 a.m. The Grand Palace. You want to be here before noon. Afternoon, standing outside in Bangkok is a spiritual test you did not sign up for. The Grand Palace is not a building. It's a 218,400 square meter complex that has been under construction since 1782. When King Rama I founded Bangkok as his new capital. Kings have been adding to it ever since. Inside the compound sits Wat Phra Kaew, the most sacred Buddhist temple in Thailand. At its center is the Emerald Buddha, a seated figure exactly 66 centimeters tall. It's made of jasper, not emerald. The name refers to the color. Nobody went back to fix it. 3 times a year, the King of Thailand changes the statue's gold costume, one for each season. He is the only person permitted to touch it. This tradition has continued since 1784. One thing travel guides mention too quietly. There is a strict dress code. No shorts, no bare shoulders at 35 degrees Celsius. The woman renting fabric wrap skirts at the entrance has been doing very good business for a very long time. 5:30 p.m. Water run. When the light changes, go to the river. Waterun, the Temple of Dawn, is best seen at sunset. The name is confusing. The temple doesn't explain itself. The central prang rises over 80 meters and is covered entirely in fragments of Chinese porcelain. The porcelain arrived on trading ships from China, used as ballast weight for the crossing. When the ships docked in Bangkok, someone decided the fragments should become architecture instead. The decision holds up. At this light, the tower catches color differently from anything else in the city, worth the 3 baht ferry ride to get there. 8 p.m. Yaowarat, Chinatown. Bangkok at night belongs to Chinatown. Yaowarat Road has been Bangkok's Chinese quarter since the 18th century, when Chinese merchants settled along the river and never left. Today, it's 2 kilometers of gold shops, roast duck hanging in windows, and street food stalls that go from closed to fully operational in about 20 minutes at dusk. Mango sticky rice, sweet coconut sticky rice with fresh mango, somewhere between 50 and 80 Thai baht. It sounds like something fine. It stays with you for weeks. There's no right way to end a day in Bangkok. There's just the version you end up with. Bangkok doesn't resolve. You don't leave it having figured it out. You leave thinking about the noodles. Next video, I'm taking you somewhere completely different. Same idea, different energy. Different set of things you can do without going anywhere. If you missed Barcelona, that one is on screen now.